So it's an exciting day. We are going to unbox this Tochta mattress and we're going to show you what it's like to install it. So without further ado, let's get this baby opened up here. Really, this is, we've been waiting for this for quite a while. It's been something we've really been thinking this is, we're really looking forward to this. So, oh. Well, that's a nice looking mattress. Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing? It's Robert Anthony with Living with Rob. Today is an exciting day. Our Tochta mattress has arrived and we are going to put that in. So, let's do it right now. Alright. The first thing we need to do is we need to get out the split mattress that came with the Winnebago 2108 DS Flex model camper, the camper out of which we live and reside. Let's go in and look at that platform. Okay, so I'm sitting on the now vacant Murphy bed platform. So as you know, we have the Murphy bed option. Love it. I love it. The issue that we have is the mattress is kind of, most RV companies kind of skimp on the mattress. It's not been bad, but the way that it splits and everything, it's a pain. So I had a custom mattress cut by Tochta, T-O-C-H-T-A. I'll have a link in the description below. They custom cut our mattress to my specifications. So what I did is I measured between these two pillars here, or cabinets, and found that it was about 61 inches or 60 and a half inches. Let's see right now. Yeah, 60.5 inches. So what I did is I wanted to get it as close to a queen size in width as possible, which I believe is 60. I'm not sure. But I had them cut it wide, 58.5 inches, which will be an inch too wide for this platform. Now they have these stops in here. We're going to have to cut those off because, well, they're not going to work for what we need. Now, it's going to mean it's not quite as pretty. Don't really care because the only time the bed comes down at night when we're not looking at it and we're sleeping, so it doesn't matter. When it's in couch mode, it won't matter because it'll be up here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these panels, and we'll show you how we're going to do that right now. You can see we got 57.5 inches between these two bumper stops right here, and we need it to be 58.5 with our mattress, so we're going to go ahead and remove these. So far, so good. All right, so what we have here, this is the underlayment. So if you travel in an RV a lot and you get into the heating season where you're running your propane heater, propane emits a tremendous amount of moisture. So what I have here is going to be the underlayment for the mattress. And the purpose of this is to make it so that the mattress stays above. There's an air gap between the mattress and the base is what this is. Little bit disappointed the way that I ordered this. You want to see that? So the mattress sits on top of this, like this. This is the mattress side, and it'll sit on top of this. So when I ordered this, it was supposed to be one piece. They didn't send that. They sent, apparently that's their version of one piece. All right, let's go put this in. I don't recall that it said in the instructions, must duct tape both pieces together to make full piece. I've been known to misread directions quite a bit, so we'll assume this was my mistake. I I don't know that I would have ordered it if I'd have known that I would be duct taping it together. That I will say. Okay, so here we are. Now, I'm actually thinking we'll go into the cabin and we'll unwrap it in there because this is vacuum sealed. And once that vacuum seal breaks and starts to open up, it's going to be kind of a nuisance to get in there. So I think we should go do that. What do you think?
Yes.
Okay. Obviously, you want to exercise extreme care in cutting the plastic off, but it is spring loaded. That's for sure. So let's go ahead and take this off. Now, what I'm excited about is this mattress is hinged. It's hinged to match our bed, or where the Murphy bed folds is what's happening. And so it's kind of unfolding right now, getting pretty exciting. So where are the hinges, Joelle? Oh, turn it around. This is the top because there's a hinge up here. The way that I had this dude designed, there is a hinge right at the hinge of the Murphy bed. There's a hinge, and then I put a hinge. A user on a Facebook group, and thank you, I can't remember your name, suggested putting a hinge about 4 inches from the top, because what that does is that helps it to, it makes the bed much easier to be made, and should you go to fold it up, and it's a little less than cooperative as it relates to folding up with the Murphy bed, why, you can just fold that top hinge up and you're good to go, as I understand it. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put it in place and see if indeed that is true. So I want to be careful to not wreck the mattress by cutting into it with my uber sharp utility knife. So now, yep, sure enough. Okay. All right, Joelle.
Ta-da!
All right, so far so good. All right, you ready? We're going to give it the big test. Before we put the sheets on, I think we should fold it up and see if it fits. You want to try it?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, yeah, see? It does. It pushes it up. See that? Mm-hmm. The hinge there.
So it does fit?
Nope. So what we'll do, we'll push that up.
Oh, right.
Push it that way.
There you go. There you go.
It's a damn good thing that that 4-inch hinge is at the top. If that 4-inch hinge was not at the top, this would not fold up. So I questioned whether or not I wanted to put the 4-inch hinge in there, and I am awfully glad that I did, because were that 4-inch hinge not up there, up in this area up here, this bed would not squish up there enough
Right.
to fold up. So that was a good move. If you order this and you do it, I'll put the measurements of what we ordered and exactly how we ordered it and the mattress that we used that we purchased. We bought the Utopia 8-inch, but I will put a link in the description to this video below. But if you have a Micro Minnie FLX 2108 DS with the Murphy bed option, you can fit this mattress, but you dang well better get that cropped up at the top so you can push it up in the morning, or your bed's not going to fold up. See? So you need that 4 inches to go up there to get this to fit. But boy, is this ever going to be nice. I'm excited. Let's finish this and get it made up. You want to?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to put these, I'm going to see if these will go back on so that it looks a little more finished. Yeah, that's actually going to work. Well, it's been about 3 weeks. About 3 weeks, and we've been sleeping on the Tochta mattress. And I have to say, 100% review, 5 stars. One of the best investments that we've made in the RV living thing that we're doing right now. Weren't sure if it would really be worth it to pull the trigger on something like that was so expensive. But the factory was incredibly helpful. I think one of the things that I would agree with everybody else that's commented on this that has ordered this, I was going to forego the 4-inch cut at the top of the mattress. If I had done that, I would not be able to get the Murphy bed closed. Without question, the Murphy bed wouldn't close. We have to fold that up every morning when we make the bed. We fold that up and just shove the mattress forward that extra 4 inches, and that gives us just barely enough clearance to get our Murphy bed closed in our Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 DS FLX model with the Murphy bed.
Yeah.
So it is comfortable. It is an outstanding mattress. I'm surprised at how much it's helped me to sleep better. Do you feel that it's helped you, or not really because you don't care much?
No, it actually has helped me, and I can feel the difference with the previous mattress that we've had. Just more space in general. Space-wise, we're more closer to the queen size mattress. Just more comfortable on the back and the hips and the joints. You know, you just feel really good when you wake up in the morning. So I'm pleased with it overall.
So I hope this video is helpful to you as you make your decision on whether or not you want to upgrade to a different mattress in your Winnebago Micro Minnie Murphy bed. Now, again, if you look at the measurements on mine, that is as big as it can go and as long as it can go before you have to start taking off the sidebars. But it fits nicely. I can still access the nightstand portion underneath this cabinet right here for our unit, and it's just really perfect. Don't go any bigger. You can go smaller, but if you go any bigger, it is not going to fit. And again, don't skip that hinge at the top, in my opinion. You'll want that. Otherwise, your bed's going up, and it's going to be sticking out a little bit because the mattress is going to stop it from going up. I suppose somebody had said if you move the hinge, I don't understand the engineering or the physics of that. I'm still not convinced even moving the one hinge and not having the 2 hinges. I am not convinced that that would work. I'm just not. So being able to push the mattress forward the extra 4 inches, that has allowed us to use it. So, hey, I hope this is helpful. We'd love it if you subscribe, like, leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions with regard to this install, we're happy to answer them. All you got to do is either email us through the website or go to our website at livingwithrob.com, visit us there, contact form there, or just leave a comment in the comment section below. Anything else?
That's it. And sheets, unless you get them custom fit. What, queen size
Yeah,
sheets?
we're going to go to queen size sheets.
Or
That's good.
gonna
I
fit
forgot
them.
about that. Yeah, so full size sheets will not fit ours because of the way that it's made. So we're going to go with a queen. They're going to be a little bit big,
Right.
but we just tuck them around.
Unless you have
and
something.
as it stands right now, we have I guess it's a fold that we're kind of squishing on there or something,
Yeah.
but it's constantly snapping off.
Yeah.
So the queen's going to allow us to get that taken care of. And it's your mom?
Yeah.
All right. Well, Joelle has to take this call because her mom is sick and in the hospital. So, all right. See you in the next one.
All right. Bye.
Cut it out. Your fingers can't come out.
Hurry up.
Don't move.
I don't want to be.
It's an exciting day. It is an exciting day. You can't talk. I'm talking. And arrive.
That's my head.
And